today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate an incline bench press. This exercise targets the upper part of the chest and also the triceps. Now, before doing this exercise, the first thing you need is also an incline bench, a barbell, and some safety clips. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and demonstrate how to do the exercise. So, when it comes to your feet position, you can have your feet on the ground or on the bar. Either or is totally up to you. Now, when laying onto the bench, make sure you have a small curvature in the lower and medial part of the back. You should be able to put your hand right through that pocket, okay? So when you do this, you're going to activate more of the core for more stability and also activate more of the upper part of the chest. Now, when it comes to the hand placements, make sure your hands are at least shoulder distance apart. Have a real firm grip when doing this exercise. Now, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it. Now, when I'm going down into the chest press, make sure your elbows are coming into a 45-degree angle and push up. This is going to activate more of the upper part of the chest. Just like that, okay? You don't want your elbows all the way out and then doing the exercise, because this is going to create a lot of pressure on the anterior delts. Just how I showed just a couple seconds ago, you could see that I had my elbows more at a 45-degree angle, more closer to my body, and then I started performing the exercise, all right? That is how you do an incline bench press.